dinner that night.
Brunch appears to be very popular today. It's the Blush Dining Room. This is where we eat dinner every night. Seas are very rough today. They just made an announcement we're going to be late getting into Grand Turk tomorrow. You want some coffee?
I do. With cream and sugar. What kind of sugar you would like to have? Regular sugar. How many times?
And if not, these people said they were buying.
We don't buy for people's birthdays, though, you know.
Not your 40th anyway.
If they were having marital problems, yeah, we would buy. Okay, but we're not buying no damn Happy Days.
Hey, what's that imply about us if you were buying our breakfast?
No, I told you why we were buying it. I heard you already bought the soup, so I said, hey, we'll go with that.
Seas are pretty rough today. You got the hurricane. I think we're about 400 nautical miles north of the hurricane, but a lot of activities on the cruise ship aren't taking place today. You can't go out on the outside decks. Lido's still open, but you can't walk around the outside of the ship. We're going to be late pulling into Grand Turk because of these seas. So we're going to have a shortened stay at Grand Turk, I'm sure. If the water's like this, a lot of the excursions will probably be canceled. Go see what we can do. Maybe they'll show a good movie tonight. Yesterday they showed Captain Marvel in Avengers Endgame. So, try to keep our sea legs about us and enjoy what we can.
What? Come for?
Since we're arriving at port late, we're doing some laundry and I'm just killing time. After all this food been eating, decided to take the stairs. I'm in terrible shape. As you can tell from my huffing and puffing. But I did start from deck 2. And now we're heading to deck 9. And then I might go to the sports square. Shoot some hoops if it's open. Alright, the wind is making it very hard to shoot. Wouldn't you say so, Shaq? It says he's 7'1". I'm 6'4". He's got a little bit of an advantage on me. Wouldn't you say? Alright. Time to go see if the clothes are dry. Fold them and then start getting ready to go to Grand Turk in a little bit. We should be docking in about an hour and a half. So probably get ready, grab some lunch, and then start getting ready to get off the boat. Hope you can hear me with all this wind. We didn't test this camera before we came. It came in the mail. We formatted the video card. I figured out how to work it. And that's it. We didn't upload any video to test quality or audio or anything. And I've been using this for a lot of the footage you've been seeing, more than just the snorkeling stuff. Because it's small, it's light, it's easy to carry around. Shot some of it on the big camera, but most of it has been shot on this, shot a little bit on my cell phone. Editing's going to be a pain. Splicing together 3 cameras, and I think Melissa's got some on hers. So splicing together 4 cameras worth of vlogs is going to be a big pain. But we'll try to get the content up, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.
It's not all running to the port side at one time.
Shooting full on a cruise ship seems extremely difficult. It's like they got everything
Also,
open
right
today.
below me, we still got the Super 20 souvenir T-shell going on by the front shop. Get you some great stocking stuffers.
First time I've seen anybody on the slide. Let's see if I can get Melissa out. We can play some putt-putt. I don't know if we've ever done that before. Welcome to the glamorous side of cruising. Oh yeah, our daughter's laundry. This is really because we just had some time to kill. We're going to knock some of the stuff out before we get home. And also this is stuff that's just easy to throw in the wash and the dryer and pack back in the suitcase. That's one step closer to being completely done. We always travel with these types of bags, these are our laundry bags. We also got these at the dollar spot at Target. And then, something that we found was perfect for cruising, these little sheets. It has a fabric softener, detergent, and then a dryer sheet. So you throw it in the washer, and when the wash is done, you move it to the dryer, and it handles everything for you. They are very convenient. They're flat, so they pack easy in a pocket somewhere, and they work very well cruising. So, now this is done. Let's get back to some fun. Checking out the warehouse arcade. Don't think I've ever been in one of the arcades on the ship. Apple Watch. The GoPro 7. Beats, iPad mini. Nice prizes you can win. iPhone 10. Prize bundle, yeah, you win a PS4, Surface Pro. Flappy Bird. Let's bounce. What is making that noise? Surprised no one's in here. Skee ball. Have to tell the wife about this. We might go to Daytona after we get off and go down to the pier and play some skee ball. It's a cool theme. Trying to make it look like a warehouse. Some Minecraft prizes. When the aliens from Toy Story playing the claw, that's clever. Very interesting. Some land is finally in sight.
Something I need to see.
If you want to see a boat on the side of the beach,
Oh, we've seen that before. I have pictures of that.
we have pictures of the one in Honduras. Do we have pictures of this one?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful water. I think we must be nearing the port. Hey, thanks for watching our video. Make sure you come back because in our next video we arrive in Grand Turk. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe if you enjoy our content. Click the thumbs up to let us know you like this video, and feel free to leave us a comment down below.